Building backlinks is at the heart of off-site SEO. Search engines use backlinks as indications of the content's quality, so a site with many valuable backlinks will usually rank better than an otherwise equal site with fewer good backlinks. There are three main types of links, defined by how they were earned. There's natural links, manually built links, or self-created links. Natural links are given without any action on the part of a page owner. For example, a fashion blogger independently adding a link to a website of their favourite clothing brand is a natural link. Manual link building is probably one of the most common types of link building one can do, particularly for those just starting out, or for those whose business is still quite small and unknown. It involves manually contacting website owners and bloggers and asking them to link to you. This also includes things like guest blogging, getting happy customers to link to your website, or asking influencers to share your content. Self-created links are created by practices such as adding a backlink in an online directory, forum, blog comment signature, or issuing a press release with link to your website. Factors that influence how big of an impact a certain backlink will have on your site's ranking are the link's site popularity, how related the linking site's topic is to your website, the new the link is, the keywords used in text links, these are also called anchor text, and the trustworthiness of the linking site, the number of other links on the linking web page, and the authority of the linking domain and page.